Bam, we're live. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Black people can't figure out how to get to the DMV.
I know it's that. It's on 25th. It's on 125th Street.
I had access to the internet for years. Who are these people talking to?
Didn't you just hear me say that I fucking couldn't figure out the Disneyland app? I talked to a friend of mine. I'd love to interview a medic at Disneyland. I talked to one of my friends who's a medic, and he says that people stroke out there every day. This podcast is like CrossFit. It's for everyone, but it's not for everyone. Wait, how's that? But the ecosystem for parking is fucking billions. That's bad to the bone. I would love Republicans more if they wore helmets. I'm scared because I'm scared. I'm not letting them say much. I'm going to come on. I'm going to ask. I'm going to have the 3 questions already out, but I'm not going to ask him like, I'm not going to do anything like to promote him and ask him like, hey, how big is your penis? No. What's your favorite bat? No. And I probably won't even talk to him directly. When I have questions to ask him, I'll probably ask Brian to ask him or Matt Souza to ask him. So I'm too scared. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow.